In this video, I want to talk about how you can receive Bitcoin on your Binance account. Now to do this, what you want to do is simply come up here and log into your account. Make sure that you verify it fully. So you need to verify and complete all the steps to verify it. Once you've done that, hover the wallet up here and go to Spot. Now this also works on your mobile app. And once you're in here, what you want to do is just click on the deposit button. Come in here, and then what you want to do is you want to deposit with the crypto. So click on this. If you already have crypto, you can click here. And if you don't have crypto, you can click here. So let's say you don't have any crypto, click on this one. Once this is done, you want to type in how much you want to spend, and you can type in your local currency. So mine is Danish krones. You can type in dollars. Come here and search for Bitcoin. So let's say you want to receive 0.001 Bitcoin. You can see this is how much it's going to cost me. So if you change this to US dollar, it will be around $971, and then you can deposit it from in there. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.